Hi students, yesterday we completed up to 7 problems in exercise 6.1. I hope you understand all those problems. All are similar like our examples only. Today we are going to continue the remaining problems. In that first one, 8th one. What is giving here? A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. That means we are pumping gas into balloon. It comes like a spherical shape. It comes like a spherical shape means the object we should consider as a sphere. The object is a sphere. What he is asking, what we are going to find it, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. He is asking change in radius. Change in radius means dr by dt. Change in radius means dr by dt. What he given in this problem? 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Cubic centimeter indicates volume. Per second means time. So by that he is given dv by dt. What I written here? The volume V of the sphere with radius r is given by V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume is 4/3 pi r cube. Now dV by dt with respect to time, 4 by 3 pi means this is the constant d by dt of r cube. D by dt of r cube means derivative of r cube is 3r square, but it is not t, that's why we are writing dr by dt. Now dv by dt is equal to 3 will cancel here, 4 pi r square into dr by dt. 4 pi r square into dr by dt. What guys? dv by dt already we have one value. What is that? 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. That's why given that dv by dt is equal to 900 centimeter cube per second. Just take this value place. Now what do you get? 4 pi r square into dr by dt is equal to 900. 4 pi r square into dr by dt is equal to 900. This term is a transpose to right side. dr by dt is equal to 900 by 4 pi r square. 900 by 4 pi r square. We need r value. What he said? When radius is 15 centimeters. When r is equal to 15 centimeters, dr by dt is equal to 900 by 4 pi into 15 square. 15 square means 225. 225 4s are 900 actually. 900 will cancel. What do you get finally? 1 by pi centimeter per second means it is dr by dt. Radius in terms of centimeter, time in second, centimeter per second. This is a simple simplification. What Nana? He given dv by dt and we are going to find out dr by dt value. We calculate here. This is the conclusion statement. Yesterday also I said how we have to write conclusion statement means check, find the condition is there na. Let me find the radius of the balloon. The radius of the balloon increases at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second when radius r is equal to 15 centimeter. Observe the question, just write the conclusion. That is means for better representation purpose only, write in the conclusion guys. If someone students are stopped here also, nothing will happen. Generally, the presentation is very, very important in mathematics. First, you should learn how we have to solve the problem. Then, you can go for the good presentation. First, understand the question and solve this problem. Ninth one, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. That means spherical variable means radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeter. Latter means edge. That means the r value. R value is 10 centimeter. So guys, in this problem, not given any centimeter per square or centimeter cube per second. That means here is telling rate at volume is increasing with the radius. With the not time. With the radius means here you should take the dy by dr. So that's why what I am writing here guys, the volume V of the sphere with the radius r is given by V is equal to 4/3 pi into r cube. 4 into 4/3 pi r cube. So with respect to r means 4 by 3 d by dr of r cube means 3r square. 4 pi r square will come. What he said, the radius later means not after, that means the value is R value is 10 centimeter. So R is equal to 10 centimeter, dV by dt is equal to 4 pi into 10 square, 400 pi centimeter cube, centimeter. So why I written means because taken R. If suppose change taking the with respect to time means here we will get the dr by dt, but we don't have any dr by dt value. So guys, here with the radius means differentiate with respect to radius, calculate it. Finally, we get the dv by dr value is 4.10 square means 400 pi. So volume per radius means centimeter per. So this is the conclusion. Conclusion is the volume increasing at the rate of 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter, and then R is equal to 10 centimeter. It's a simple problem like this before support. 10th one guys, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall? Students, understand it. That means just feel like this is a ladder. Ladder we are keeping to wall means slantly we are keeping. Slantly we are keeping. Slantly means like this. So slantly means observe the first diagram. So this is the ladder guys, and this is the height of the wall, and this is the ladder foot away from the wall. Ladder foot away from the wall. Now this complete diagram look like a right angle triangle. This complete diagram look like a right angle triangle. Afterwards, what happened? He did some action. He done some action. What is that? He pulled the foot of the ladder. He pulled it. He pulled it means like this. Changed. So change in x. What happened, guys? That pulled means what happened? Some changes happened in x. That is dx by dt. Definitely, if something happened in x means definitely something will happen in y also. That is dy by dt. So what is asking? Suppose if I pulled away from the wall means how much change will happen in y? That is, he is asking the problem. Now use this condition. Right angle triangle means we are following the Pythagoras rule. X square plus y square is equal to 5 square. Differentiate with respect to time. So d by dt of x square plus y square equal to d by dt of 25. So 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt. D by dt of constant means 0 will come. Take 2 common, transpose means what do you get? X into dx by dt plus y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Now what I did guys? Okay. Finally, I want the value of dy by dt. I want the dy by dt means rest of values he has to give. Rest of values he has to give. What is given? Given that dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. Dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. And one more is when x is equal to 4 means what will happen? Equation 1 becomes x square plus y square equal to 5 square means y square equal to 5 square minus x square. By that y square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16, 9 will come. Y is equal to 3 meters. Now what I am doing? Equation 2 becomes, after knowing the dx by dt, x value, y value, we are going to find the equation 2. 4 into 2 plus 3 into dy by dt is equal to 0. 3 into dy by dt is equal to minus 8. dy by dt is equal to minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Like that, we calculated dy by dt. What is the meaning of dy by dt? Observe it. The height of the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. That means if you drag a means, suppose now the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall means what it means? Just write it. Thus the height of the wall decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Decreasing now. Decreasing. This is because by seeing the sign of the number minus means it is the condition decreasing. If it is plus means increasing. So write that one. Thus the height of the wall decreasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter per second when x is equal to 4 meters away from the wall. X is equal to 4 meters away from the wall. This is the meaning of the problem and this is the solution. Clearly, very very important, guys. This model 2-3 times he asked in a public examination. Just some take care on this problem, ladder problem. So read carefully and understand the solution. Right. 11th problem. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. Y coordinate is changing means dy by dt is 80 times as fast as the x coordinate. Changing as fast as x coordinate means dx by dt. Oh. Okay, guys. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the points y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Change fast as. So given curve is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay. Applying differential with respect to 6 into dy by dt is equal to dy by dt of x cube plus 2. And 6 into dy by dt means x cube derivative 3x square into dx by dt. This is constant is 0. dy by dx is equal to, by transposing that we can get the x square by 2 dx by dt. This is considered as a equation 1. Now, already he given one word. What is that? Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate means dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. So comparing these two elements, these two dy by dt values are equal. That's why these two are equal. What do you get? 8 into dx by dt is equal to x square by 2 into dx by dt. Both should be eliminated. Then what do you get? X square by 2 is equal to 8. X square equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. Now we are having the two values x value 4 plus 4 and minus 4. When x equal to 4 means substitute in the given curve. Because definitely x satisfies the given curve. So 6y equal to 4 cube plus 2. Y is equal to 11. Now your point is 4, 11. When x equal to minus 4. 6y is equal to minus 4 cube plus 2 means you will get the minus 31 by 3. Points are on the curves 4, 11, minus 4, minus 31 by 3. Students, here particle moves means just he given one curve to us. To that curve, we just differentiate with respect to time only. Y means here change in the y coordinate means in general rate of change means the function, whatever the function it is, differentiate with respect to time. So by using that, we are differentiating the function with respect to time, and by reading this statement, what is that? Which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate means dy by dt is equal to 8 into dx by dt. Substitute this. Simplify it. Find the x value. X value substitute in the given function. Then you will get the y value. Write the coordinates. He is asking the points on the coordinates. 12th one, the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? So students, air bubble. Air bubble means it is in spherical shape. Air bubble means it is in spherical shape. So given that air bubble, radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 by 2 means given dr by dt. And at what rate? What rate means what is the rate of means find. The volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter means find dv by dt where r is equal to 1 centimeter. Now come to the solution. The volume V of the bubble. Bubble means it is a spherical shape. It is a spherical shape. With the radius r is given by V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, and now dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into d by dt of r cube. 4 pi by 3 into 3r square into dr by dt. 3 will cancel, guys. 4 pi r square into dr by dt. So in this dr by dt already he given it. What is that? 1 by 2 centimeter per second. Given that dr by dt is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter per second and radius is equal to 1 centimeter means now dv by dt value is 4 pi into r square means 1 square into dr by dt value is 1 by 2. By calculating, what do you get, Nana? 2 pi into. So volume per with respect to time means centimeter cube per second. Now I am writing thus the volume of bubble increasing at the rate of 2 pi centimeter cube per second, then R is equal to 1 centimeter, then R is equal to 1 centimeter. Clearly read this guys, this problem is simple problem. So if you observe all the problems, all are similar. So how many objects occurred in our previous problems? One is the cube, circle and spherical shape only. Three objects, and these three objects we are taking volume, surface area like that. So everyone should be remember those formulas also. Clearly solve it, understand it. Okay. 13th one. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 by 2 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Guys, what is the meaning of this? Balloon. Balloon means already we discussed is a spherical shape. Has a variable diameter. Variable diameter means suppose sphere means it has one variable, it is nothing but radius r. R guys. So with radius r means automatically we are calculating volume of a sphere means 4 by 3 into pi I into r cube. By that he is given diameter. Diameter means 2 into radius. Diameter means 2 into radius. And he is asking find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Generally, if rate of change means immediately we are taking the with respect to time. But sometimes he is giving with respect to radius, with respect to x means in that situation, what he is mentioning in that, we have to use that value only. Now, in this problem, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, what he given in the problem? Given that diameter is 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. That nothing but 2 into radius is equal to 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. R is equal to 3 by 4 of 2x plus 1. R is equal to 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. The volume of the balloon with radius r is given by V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. That means I am just doing the simplification because the volume of a balloon should making it in terms of x. Making it into because r is given in terms of x. R is given in terms of x. So r means 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. That is 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. What do you get? By simplifying this, 3 ones are 3 nines are 4 ones are 4 16s. Finally, 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1 whole cube. dv by dx is equal to, that means he is telling with respect to x. That's why I am doing dv by dx is equal to 9 pi by 16 into d by dx of 2x plus 1 whole cube. It is look like x cube guys, 3x square, but it is not x. d by dx of 2x plus 1. So what do you get? 27 pi by 16, 2x plus 1 whole square into d by dx of 2x plus 1 means 2 will come. By cancel that, 27 pi by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So this is the rate of change its volume with respect to x is the 27 pi by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So understand guys, given the diameter means the diameter should making into radius guys. The diameter should make into radius. So diameter is 2 into radius, I made r radius. Just I substitute in the place of r and I calculate with respect to x. We got the answer. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the same cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter? Students, so sand is pouring from pipe, that means it comes like this. So how it will come means it looks like a cone, comes like a cone guys. This is R and this is H. Actually it short terms will come, radius is more and height is less. So what he is saying means actually the sand falls on land, look like a cone, So finally what we are saying means we are taking the cone, here object is cone. the volume V of the cone with the radius R is given by V is equal to 1 by 3 pi into R square into H. Okay guys, H is equal to 1 by 6 into R I written. Why? Given that is given, then come here. The height of the cone is, this is, height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. Height of the cone is 1/6 of the radius of the base of the cone. This height is 1/6 part of the radius. That means radius is more, height is short. That is the meaning. Diagram I written differently. So understand it. The height of the cone is 1/6 part of the radius. Okay. Now I taken h is equal to 1 by 6 into r is equal to 6h. That means radius taking in terms of h. Radius taking in terms of h. Now in the place of r I am substituting 6h in this place. 1 by 3 pi into r means 6h whole square into h. Simplified. Simplified means this is 36h square into h. That means 36 pi into h cube by 3. Finally 3 to also 12 pi h cube. This is normal simplification, not did anything. V is equal to 12 pi h into h, but 12 pi into h cube. Okay. dV by dt. Why I taken dV by dt? Come here. The given unit is 12 centimeter cube per second. That means mentioned dV by dt. That means given value is dV by dt value. That's why dV by dt is equal to 12 pi into d by dt of h cube. 12 pi into 3h square into dh by dt. dV by dt is equal to 36 pi h square into dh by dt. I simplified it. I got dV by dt value like this, 36 pi into h square into dh by dt. Really what we have to show in final means, observe here guys, here, how fast is the height of the same cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. That means in this problem we are going to calculate dh by dt. That means in complete problem he given three values. One is dv by dt given and dr by dt we have to find, and given h is 4 centimeter and one condition in that. What is the condition guys? H is equal to 1/6 part of the radius by using that. Now I generally calculate dV by dt. Real dV by dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. This term which is equal to 12, by calculating we will get the 1 by 3 pi h square, and h is equal to 4 centimeter. He mentioned it. H is equal to 4 centimeter. dh by dt is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 4 square. That is 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second, because h means height. Height means length. Centimeter per second. Students, read it. Sand is pouring from a pipe. That means one pipe is there. Sand comes from that. It is pouring on land. Land means automatically it is spreaded on base. That means base cycle is more. Base shape is more. Height is somewhat less. That's why he is comparing height with radius. How it is means h is the 1 by 6 of the radius. 1 by 6 of the radius. Really the formula of volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. This value substitute in this place, you will get that v is equal to 12 pi into h cube. Now differentiate with respect to time. You just calculate it. If you taking the normal differentiation, we are getting this. Really he given that value 12 centimeter cube per second. Just equate those two values. You will get the dh by dt. Our final answer is 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Students, note down these problems. This is for your homework. 15th one. The total cost C of x in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. Here in this problem, units are denoted by x. Total cost total cost function is given. Now what you do means already we completed one example in we completed one example like this only total cost. So dy dx of c of x if you calculated means that is nothing but marginal cost. After getting the answer just in the place of x substitute 17 you will get the total marginal cost. Students, are you understand what I am saying? Given the total cost differentiate with respect to x, the resultant is nothing but marginal cost. In the marginal cost result, in the place of x, substitute 17, you will get the marginal cost. Clear? And come to the 16th one. Total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is given by R of x is equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when x is equal to 7. What he is asking guys? Marginal revenue. How do you get marginal revenue? If we are differentiate total revenue with respect to x, what I am saying? The total revenue, we are differentiating total revenue with respect to x. Means of that the given function differentiate with respect to x. The resultant expression is nothing but marginal revenue. If you want total marginal revenue value in the place of x, substitute 7. In the place of x, substitute 7. This is one of the example already given as a homework in examples. So same I just work like that. And 17th one, the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. Means of that what is asking guys? Area of a circle means we know the formula. What is that? A is equal to pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. A equal to pi r square means what we have to do? Rate of change area of circle with respect to its radius means calculate dA by dr. Calculate dA by dr. In that right side expression, substitute r value 6, you will get the answer. Change in radius with respect to r. That is a simple logic. Actually 17 and 18 question both are optional guys because multiple choice questions. But as a questions as given to you, you just take the question and solve it by your knowledge, because the last problem already you practiced is simple. What means? Area circle equal to A equal to pi r square, dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. In the place r you just substitute 6. You can get the 12 pi. Next 18th one. Same question guys like 16. Total revenue in rupees received from the sale of x units of a product is given by r of x 3x square plus 36x plus 5. The marginal revenue when x equal to 15 means same guys. You should differentiate r of x with respect to x, then you will get the marginal revenue when is x equal to 15 means in the place of x substitute 15, not here guys, the given function. After differentiate of the function, what do you get? 6x plus 36. 6x plus 36, in that you just substitute, you will get the answer. So take these questions 15, 16, 17, 18. If you are practicing all those what I explained previously and taking these homework completed means we are completing the rate measure concept. Especially in rate measure concept, what we are discussing means rate of change with respect to whom, whether it is with respect to time or with respect to x or with respect to radius, that depends on problem, depends on situation. So understand it, read clearly of the questions, read it very careful of these questions, practice well and understand it completely. And tomorrow I am going to start tangent and normals guys, tangent and normals, because increasing decreasing function actually continuation chapter is this for continuing concept is increasing decreasing. Somewhat there is a conceptual, if I am explaining it also somewhat different, that is my plan is to explain increasing decreasing function and maximum minimum topics at one place because both are related topics. So that's why immediately I am taking the tangent normal. After tangent and normal, I will take the errors and approximation. After that, I will start the increasing, decreasing and maximum minima. So don't waste your time. Note down these problems, practice well and keep in good manner. Okay guys, are you copied? If you are copied, and my suggestion is better try to get one textbook. If I am giving some questions means easy, because writing question, writing solution means it will take much time. And also, so if you have textbook means easily you can understand the solution for a better practice purpose. For better practice purpose, it is very useful to you to get purchase a new one, or if any near to your home, any seniors are there, because our Koppal district is all, Koppal and Raichur district both are in Gujarat. You can move tomorrow onwards. You can move somewhat slight. You can move and go and get textbooks. Keep with you, and whatever I am explaining on board, just take it, copy it into notebook, practice it. Okay, thank you.